We got an iPhone 14 Pro Max with a green, white and sometime yellow screen problem. This is a common problem that we can find in 13 series iPhones, but these issues also can be seen on 14 series iPhones. Nowadays, after the update, such things happen in most of those cases. This is a serious issue on LCD on such 13 and 14 series iPhones. Customer tell us that while watching YouTube, the iPhone automatically goes blank and after this such happen. No dropped, no water damage cases. If such a thing happens to your iPhone, then don't restore. This may delete all the important data of your iPhone. You can hear the keyboard sound. Means there is no issues on iPhone or any software glitches. This is my research to fix these issues. 14 Pro Max LCD, can it be fixed? I already disabled LCD. Here you can see the test point. I scratched all the pin carefully. I checked all pads one by one and found some pins missing. This fault was actually from the side of the flex from the LCD. LCD itself is okay, but this flex is damaged. Was LCD damaged? I give the reference, that is the 12 Pro Max LCD. I remove that flex. Let's see. That flex is damaged in most cases, and special equipment is needed to do this job. After replacing the flex, check whether the problem is fixed or not. Only replacing the new LCD or changing the LCD flex, that is the solution. Now check that the previous white screen is fully functional, means the problem was fixed. No jumper process to fix such display issues on iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max and 14 series iPhones. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below.